Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Tax Day, Friday, April 15th, 2011. What a day. What a day. Another mixed day. Gold, oil, silver, hi-ho to the moon. Wow. But certainly dollar gaining a little strength against London. Cable. Euro even reversing a little bit. But we're still pretty much directionless. Sorry about no video yesterday. Couldn't get it done. Tried, but big numbers last night in China. Big, surprising numbers in China, in my opinion. Very surprising. Those are the S&Ps right there. Dollar index really nowhere. CPI 5.4, estimate 5.2. GDP 9.7, estimate 9.5. All better. Obviously, higher inflation means they're going to raise rates, but still. Industrial production, 14.8%. Big number. Big bill. Even Japanese industrial production month on month at 1.8%. But again, I think Japanese numbers are going to be good on the manufacturing side as they rebuild from here on out. Eurozone CPI, hot. Euro popped up on that, 2.7%. Core CPI, 1.3%. Still low, but still not good that it's going up. U.S. CPI less than expected on the core side, up 0.1. Headline 0.5 in line with expectations. Empire Manufacturing, good number. Another one. All these manufacturing numbers are good, yet durable goods just cannot be a good number. It's amazing. Foreign flows of capital way down, 26.9 billion. I think the Japanese situation has a lot to do with that. Capacity utilization 77.4. Big number. Last month was 76.9, revised higher, but still, I think that's a 2008 high on capacity utilization. We have a long way to go on that. It's still a good sign, though, that we're using our spare capacity. 78.5, 79, that's a hot number in capacity utilization. 80 is terrible, because then, again, remember, if you're using up all your dark space, unused space, GDP can't go up anymore once you hit a certain level. So, while other countries do have a much higher number, we have a number of different industries in the United States. So, we can have a housing market where capacity utilization is very low, and yet the other areas of the economy are high. Thus, the numbers in the 70s, 80s will never be like New Zealand can run at 98% capacity, which is incredible. But Michigan sentiment, better. 69.6, estimate was 68.7, industrial production 0.8 versus 0.5 on the estimate, all better than expected. Wow. Bang, bang, bang. Well, why did the dollar not really explode, or the dollar not collapse on the stock market strong? You see here the S&P, we had a nice hammer yesterday. It looks to me like we're going to make a run for 1340. All the buy and the dippers are in there. And what's nice is you do have people that are not convinced. Even the people, there was a couple of guys I saw that said, well, we bought in the dip, but not this time. Maybe. We got to clear 1300 on the S&Ps for me to really get bearish. Big time. We take out Thursday lows. Absolutely. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Back to the dollar index again, as we see. We did have a number of comments come out. Evans. I mean, the guy thinks there's no real risk to inflation. It's amazing, these Fed officials, to me. Amazing. I don't know what they're smoking. I want to know. Crazy. I tell you, it's nuts. But is what it is. And again, the bottom line is that there is inflation. The fact that core CPI came in at 0.1, ex food and energy, I don't buy the fact that energy prices are a spike, food prices are a spike. In my opinion, food price increases are here to stay. Inflation expectations are going to continually go up. People are going to start pricing in the fact that everything's going to be, food-wise, going up. And the way they mask it is they cut the size down. Cereal going down, size, but price staying the same. That's inflation. Because they're never going to put it back the way it was. Anyway, again, we look at this dollar index, as we said the other day, not convinced. This move here, we were here, remember, 2 days ago saying, well, it wasn't like this time. It wasn't like that time. Each time we had a hammer and we had nice bullish engulfing. This time we're flagging. Hammer, doji, bullish engulfing. Hammer, bullish engulfing. Hammer, bullish engulfing. No hammer, no bullish engulfing. This says to me there's a leg down coming like this one we had last week. Absolutely. Any rallies in this dollar index are to be sold. Commodity currencies, again, the big winner. Look at this dollar Canada rolling over today. Yeah, nice shot. That 96.50 level is short. If you were premium, you would have. Sorry, no free Friday. I'll do it next week. Aussie dollar continues to grind higher. Metals to the moon. Oil's going up. Came in a little bit, but on Goldman Sachs' call, big deal. Aussie, I'm long. BOP, got to buy on pullback. Listen, as soon as those Chinese numbers came out, as I said to my premium people, I said, listen, you got to be long commodity currencies. Look at this Kiwi. Gone. Like the wind. I mean, this thing is so overbought. I agree. But you know what? Say hello to my little friend, Channel Line. Going to 81, people. Oh, yeah. Looks great. The European currencies, on the other hand, there was talk about Greek restructuring debt. They came out and denied it. But I don't know if that would be, again, Spain is the issue. We already know about the pigs. We know about Greece. Spain is bigger. It's the big heifer. That's El Corazon of the pig. And again, should Spain, Italy, these are the big fish. Just like the dollar index, the euro's flagging. Yes, it's having a hard time getting through 45.10, 45.20, but it's also having a hard time busting through 43.50. Notice it touched that 10 exponential the other day. Oh, baby. Closed strong, though. This euro looks like it wants to go higher. This is not a topping formation. Listen, all the tops, you had spikes here. There was a spike here. There was a spike here. Any significant top in the euro, in my opinion, has got to be accompanied by a spike. Look back here. Spike. Look over here. Wasn't pretty, but there was a spike. Yeah, it made a double top. And that's what might happen now. Look, we hammer, grind higher. Maybe we come back up again to the highs. I don't know. But this thing needs to spike. We need a big up day and reversal. Then we're talking. But until that, the euro's a buy on pullback. Cable came in today. Euro sterling came in. Listen, as I said, pound Aussie. Look at this pound Aussie. Bye-bye. We nailed that. Hopefully. My premium people did. I tweeted it. That's a gorgeous looking short. European currencies are not going up. Commodity currencies are going up. So Euro Canada had a nice day to the downside. Rolling over. Euro Aussie. Where is she? Rolling over. Nice chart, that Euro Aussie. Good night. We break through this whole channel line here. Sayonara. A little higher. So this Euro Aussie looks weak. But dollar Swiss certainly closing the week very muy malo. Euro Swiss looks like it's rolling over. I love this short. Hit that 28.50 level we talked about, didn't it? Bounced off it, but I got to tell you, it's going to roll over. No bullish engulfing. You got a hammer, yes. You had a hammer yesterday, but did you have the bullish engulfing? No. Rolling over. I mean, the euro in particular, euro sterling, buy on pullback. Nice buy. Double dip, your pleasure. Pound numbers are terrible, atrocious. This cable, in my opinion, is not going to make it. But again, it might get brought up by a euro dollar going up. We got G20 coming out with headlines. We have more data coming out with G20 over the weekend. Looking at the short-term chart on the stock market, we're rolling over here a little bit, but again, I think there's a 330, 315 fake out. I think they rally into the close. S&Ps look good. All right, again, if you have any questions about any aspect of my business, again, sorry about the video, but back in action. Everything should be all settled now. A little day reprieve. This Kiwi dollar just isn't stopping. But El Cable, look at pound Kiwi. Let's look at that one. To the moon. I mean, sorry, you know what I mean. Damn. Bye bye. Look at that death grind. Crazy. Nuts. 5,000 pips in a month. This thing just had one bounce. That was it. So again, it's not necessarily about the dollar here. It's more about commodity currencies. Can't forget about dollar yen. Inside day. Sell the strength. No hammer really. Again, hopefully you sold that bounce. Dollar yen, in my opinion, is toast. Big reversal this week. Look at the weekly. Nice bearish engulfing. Say goodbye. Say hello to 81.50. Easy. Oh, yeah. Euro yen also nice on the weekly chart. Big time reversal. Going lower. Easy coming into 117. Again, the problem is that we have the euro dollar, which might explode. So maybe this thing pops up again. But dollar yen looks so weak. And what's nice is this week is they both will go down at the same time. That to me is a topping formation in the yens. I've been trading them a very long time. So when you see weeks like this where you got the euro dollar going down and dollar yen going down at the same time, that's a sign they're selling that euro yen. And I think we saw a nice reversal here. You look at the weekly, took out the highs and just almost took out the lows. So again, I think we go back down to 116, absolutely. All right, everyone, again, have a good weekend. Email info@globalfxradio.com. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, the only voice you'll ever need who truly loves to make you money. Have a good weekend. Get rested up. See you Sunday. And it is Passover. There will be no recording Monday night. Tuesday, yes. No Monday. Probably. Maybe not Tuesday. Of course, premium, I'll be in the room in the mornings. Have a good one. Bye-bye.